Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Okay? Well, stay humble to biggest loss in 3 years. Following CPI data, New York research a broad sell of sand. US stock reeling on Tuesday after harder than expected inflation. Report said Harvard that the Federal Reserve called relevant and secure back its policy tightening in the coming month. All three major U.S. stock index fell severely lower, spanning for Thai, winning streak and nothing share biggest one-day president drop since June 1 to 20 and 20. During the towers of the COVID-19 pandemic, signing risk of statement followed every major sector debt into negative territory, which is arrest rate sensitive debts and this attention market leaders led by April is Nasdaq ever miss Mishkov Crafness Nick Miasip and Amazon.com in Nasdaq Major, waiting at heavies. The sell-off is not surface given the rally running of the data, said the Polnut portfolio manager at Kingsway Asset Management in Chicago. The labor government's customer friends and XAVI came in above customer consensus, interesting a coloring trend. And in throwing calls what out half as what the federal resist all relance after September and edge of on is the terrorist rate hikes. Called CPI, which thief out forex, food and energy prices in research more to expected, rising to 6.3% from 5.9% in July. The reports point to referee referencing inflation and demands the Fed is going to remain expanded and resist not at that, and that is antenna to equities. Financial markets have fully freezes in the areas rate hike analyzed 75 basis point and collocation of the FOMC policy meeting next week with a 32% probability of the super set for contrast for interest to be the funds target according to comes with what's told. The Fed's interest rate is divided for research point in the last 6 months. Naturally said it have not yet felt the full effects of all those interests, but we feel it. We are at a recession doorstep. Worries varies that a foreigner's version of policy, turning from the bonds collective to economy offer to bring a recession, depending of yields 1 to N years. Thursday notes raises as a reflect influencing recession tweeted further. U.S. A major sector of the C&P 5,000 ended the session deep in the red territory, Thank you very much. Thank you for attention. And then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.